managed to set up our environment. We've tested our environment. Let's get started with Java development. Okay, and this tutorial, let us create a very simple application that will greet a person. Okay, we will input the name. Well, it will accept the name from the console, and then it will create a person. For example, it will say hello plus the name that was inputted through the console. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the previous project that we did. So I'm just going to create a function public static string greet. Okay, if you do want to know what public is an access modifier, and if you want to know what static means, we are making this method a class method, so we are not gonna invoke this method using an object, but rather the class name. Okay, so by just putting this static, we're just saying that this is a class method. Okay, string name, and then this method returns a string, so we have to return hello, then concatenate it with its name. Okay, so we're gonna accept user inputs from the console. So I'm gonna use the scanner class, scanner sc equals to new scanner. In my main method, system.in, like this. Okay, let's import our scanner class like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna say string, type string name, okay, equals to sc dot next, like this. This will accept user input from the console, and then I am gonna call my greet method like this and pass in the name that was accepted through the console. So I'm gonna type in something here. Let me print something on the console. Dot I enter your name, okay, like that. Okay, yeah, now we can try to run our application now to see what we'll do. Okay, the idea is that we want to accept user input through the scanner. In this case, we are going to accept the user's name, and then we're going to print that name into the console. Okay, we're going to concatenate it with hello and then print hello plus your name. Okay, let's see if it does what we want. Okay, I'm going to run it. Enter your name, redeemer. Okay, oh, and then it's not printing it out. Why? This is because I'm not printing this out like this, so I should print it out like this. Okay, now we can try again. So let's do it again, and then boom, there we go. Okay, now if you want to develop this kind of applications, you realize that when you develop a Java application, there is what is called a method, there is what is called a variable, parameters. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you what a method is, what a variable is. I'm going to show you all these things. So the idea was to show you a very simple application, how to construct a very simple application. So from here, I'm going to take you through the smallest component of Java, how to build a Java application. Okay, of a Java application. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. If you've got any question, you can comment. Okay, have a nice day.